Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's Instagram tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Instagram not uploading photos error. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get into the tutorial. So first, before you try re-uploading your photos, please make sure you have a really solid and stable Wi-Fi connection and you're connected to the internet. So more often than not, when this issue of not being able to upload photos, posts or videos occurs, it's mostly because you're not connected to the internet. So first check that, and the second thing you can do is go to Play Store and search for the Instagram app and make sure it's up to date. And sometimes, because older versions have more bugs, if you're really older version of the app, this error might occur. And the other thing that you can do, so if you've been posting and deleting too many photos, or you've been posting like 4 to 5, 6, 7 posts a day, Instagram might think that you're a bot and they might try to block your actions. If you've been spamming free content, or if you've been liking content and trying to DM someone and spam someone, you might not be able to. This error might occur as well. And the other thing is what you could do. So make sure you're not spamming someone, or you're not posting too many photos. You're not posting 5 to 6 posts a day. And these are just a couple of options that might be helpful for solving this problem. And that's it for this video. Leave a comment below, guys, if any of this worked for you. And thank you so much for watching this video. That's all we have to say for this. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.